Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Google Slides for free without losing audio quality. Whether you're creating a school project, business presentation, or slideshow, adding background music can make your presentation more engaging and professional. Follow along as I walk you through each step so you can add and play music in Google Slides quickly and easily. Let's get started.
Step 1. Open your Google Drive and get ready to upload your music. This is where your audio file will be stored so it can be added to your slides. Step 2. Click plus New, File Upload and select your MP3 or WAV file. Make sure the file is accessible and not set to private if you plan to share the presentation. Step 3. Open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you want the music to play. This helps you place the audio exactly where it's needed. Step 4. Click Insert, Audio, then select the file you just uploaded from your Google Drive. A small speaker icon will appear on your slide, showing the audio has been added successfully. Step 5. Click on the speaker icon to open the Format Options sidebar. This lets you customize how your audio behaves during the presentation. Step 6. Choose when the audio starts playing by selecting On-Click or Automatically. You can also adjust the initial volume using the slider to make sure it's perfect for your audience. Step 7. If you want background music throughout your presentation, set the audio to Loop Audio and deselect Stop on Slide Change. This will keep your music playing continuously across slides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.